Well, after wildfires often comes the flooding, and flooding is actually the most common natural disaster in Utah. And an overwhelming amount of Utahns just are not ready in case disaster strikes. ABC4's Brittany Johnson live in Salt Lake City tonight to explain.
Well, Emily, flooding after a wildfire is a 1-2 punch. These burn scars can pose flooding dangers to nearby homes for about 5 to 10 years. Even the slightest amount of rainfall can cause mudslides and severe flash flooding. With that said, the most amount of Utahns aren't even ready. Hurricane Dorian tormenting the Bahamas, expected to move dangerously close to the Florida coast. Here in Utah, wildfires. The Gun Range fire burning and damaging multiple homes in Bountiful before reaching full containment. Emergency management saying the worst could be yet to come.
Our fire season is going longer and longer.
And after wildfires comes flooding. It's the most common natural disaster in Utah, yet 97% of homeowners and renters in the state don't have proper flood coverage.
Not just flood insurance, but also looking at earthquake insurance. Those policies can really save you in a difficult time.
Kathy Holder says even if your home wasn't directly impacted by a wildfire, you are at increased risk of flooding.
The water will go anywhere. So if you're looking down mountain, downstream of any of those burn scars, then you need to be looking at how you can mitigate that risk.
The Division of Emergency Management says right now, the beginning of National Preparedness Month is a good time to make sure you're ready in case any sort of disaster strikes. You can do things like have an emergency plan, prepare medications and supplies, gather important documents, and either make or buy 72-hour survival kits, one for each family member.
Looking at your evacuation routes, you need to look and find out where you're going to all meet if you're in different places. Is there a general person that you're going to contact?
And also remember, texting could be your best option as phone lines could be busy. It does make it a little easier for homeowners to get a flood insurance claim if they get a policy within 60 days of a wildfire reaching full containment. Details on that and more safety preparedness tips can be found on our website, abc4.com. From reporting live in Salt Lake City tonight, I'm Brittany Johnson, ABC4 News.